Okay, so hello again. This is like the way that the chrome bumper looks installed. You know, it's like nice and clean with like the new plastic and stuff. And I like painted the grill, but it has like cracks, so I'll probably just get like a chrome one or like a new one, or I'll just figure out how to fix those. But it all went on there pretty smooth, except for on the edges you can see there's like a little bit of a gap, but I'm not like too much of a perfectionist, you know, like especially right here you can see that. But it should be okay. And then I still have to add the top trim. It's like the LX package trim or whatever. And in order to do that, you just have to drill out the 5 holes for it in the top right here. But before I can do that, I have to like finish like polishing this up, because if you can see, it's kind of worn, and then where the bumper, like where like the old one got hit, it like made some like scratches, and like I got them like most of the way out, but you know, it's just not quite there yet, you know. And then for the last little bit to install this, you have to there's like a bolt right here, down in here. Let's see, right here, this one, you have to just loosen that one, and then you loosen this one, the camera folks, right here, and then one down here and one over here. And that's about it. I mean, it slides off. There's little like tracks on the side, and that's really it. It looks like 10 times better. Like I got mine at like the same time I got the chrome side mirrors, and I didn't make a video about that, but you know, like I said in the introduction videos, it's like my first time making videos, so bear with me. Like I'll probably go back and like redo some videos or whatever as I like progress in my like YouTube creator abilities. I don't know how to say that. But thank you for watching. Okay, so the 3 bolts holding the bumper support are a 10mm right here, another 10mm right here, and one that is up in here. It's in here. And then the next part is to do the sides, and that is 4 screws on the side where it slides on, and then the other 2 are right here. You can see that. And then on the inside right here is a 10mm, another 10mm, another one, and another one. And then there's the 2 trim bolts. You see the 2 bolts that hold this piece of trim on there. I don't know if your truck has it, but mine does. It's the LX. And it just is right behind here. That's that one. And then right behind the slider mount. We can see. And then this top trim piece right here, runs on top of the bumper, has 5 10mm bolts right here, right right here, and down here. And I recommend using one of these because it will not slip, or a 12-point spanner wrench, I think they're called, and like this right here, and some WD-40. And then there's a Phillips head on the support bracket that goes from the chassis to the bottom of the bumper. On the chassis side, it's a 12 millimeter bolt, and then on the bumper, it's just like a Phillips head right here. Okay, and then what holds the bottom lip to the actual bumper, is, I think it's supposed to have 7 bolts, I think. Mine only has like 3 holding it on. One down here. But I believe they're right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. If I get the camera to zoom. Right here, right here, right here, and I believe on the very end over there too, right over here. And the turn signals are just held in by 2 screws right here, right here. Let's see, and let's see. And that screw goes right here, and on the other side. And the whole thing comes out as like right here. So right here, and it just sits in there. Just sits inside the lip, and that's it. So when installing the hardware on the chrome bumper, you're gonna need to grind out the spacing a little bit, because the hardware, it does not fit. See, look, it doesn't fit. It won't set. It's like one of those kind of bolts. So I grind it out and it fits now. So that's another thing I gotta do. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.